Okay, return. There was an emergency in the last video. Now this slide is showing the various components required for each step of protein synthesis. It's very important for a reference point of view, and this is a summary of all the stages and the factors involved in the process. Stage 5. See, protein is made, but still the work is not yet over. The newly synthesized polypeptide chains undergo folding and processing. Because a linear chain is not often in the active form. It should be folded and processed into its biologically active form. And we say it assumes its native conformation with the formation of the appropriate hydrogen bonds, van der Waals forces, ionic interactions, hydrophobic interactions, etc. In this way, a linear one-dimensional genetic message of the messenger RNA is translated into a three-dimensional structure of protein. And whenever such a protein does not acquire the biologically active conformation, we say it is not active, and the process of attaining that conformation is said to be post-translational modification. Coupling of transcription and translation in bacteria. You know that in bacterium, nucleus is not there. So genetic material is present in the cytoplasm itself. So site of transcription itself is a site of translation also. So when transcription is going on, when the mRNA is formed to a certain extent, before the transcription is completed, translation may begin. That's what you see here. On one side, transcription is not completed, but on the other side, translation is already started. This is possible there in prokaryotes. What's a polysome? This is a single messenger RNA molecule. Once a ribosome is binding for translation, it's moving forward. When it is reaching some distance, the second set of ribosome is binding there and carrying out translation. When that also is moving, a third one is binding, then a fourth one is binding, and so on. So at any given time, so many amino acids are carrying out the, so many ribosomes are carrying out the process of protein synthesis from a single molecule of messenger RNA. So in an electron microscopy picture, it looks like something like so many beads attached on a string. This structure is called polyribosome or polysome. And how do we identify which ribosome is joined first and which ribosome joined last? Very simple. Which one of them is carrying the longest of the polypeptide chain? That is the first attached one. Which one of them is carrying the shortest of the polypeptide chain? That one is the latest one. And biochemistry in action. Remember, earlier living world was centered around RNA, but during the course of evolution, it was shifted into a protein-based world. Almost all the administrative activities of the cell are being managed by the proteins. Go through it. Can you tell me from which textbook it is? Okay.